So a quick look at PTC, because this is the technology we're going to sort of look at in terms of the solutions today. So PTC have really 4 pillar platforms. They have Creo for CAD, they have Windchill for lifecycle or product lifecycle management, they have Vuforia for augmented reality experiences, and then they have THINGWORX, which is their IoT platform. And the focus today will be the THINGWORX, and to a certain extent the Vuforia, but largely THINGWORX today. You can see some of the core capabilities there within the THINGWORX suite. So if we have a quick look at a high level at THINGWORX in terms of what it does and I suppose how it does it. So 5 sort of key areas of THINGWORX: the ability to connect, to build, to analyze, to manage and experience your IoT applications. So if we look at Connect first, so in terms of THINGWORX, then there's many options to connect either directly to things using secure APIs or protocols such as MQTT, OPC, etc. And this can also be done using the PTC Kepware suite. The next is to build, so an environment to rapidly develop IoT applications. It allows you to structure your IoT data using the Thing model technology. Next, if we look at Analyze, so this provides analytics either from within the THINGWORX environment or using external analytics engines such as Ansys or Azure, etc. Next, we have Manage. So this is the ability to drive actions and maybe automate processes by connecting your IoT platform to other business systems such as ERP or maybe field service and maintenance. And then finally, we have Experience. So this is where we can build or we have a rapid IoT application development environment for quickly building traditional dashboards for desktop, web or mobile, or maybe for creating immersive in-context augmented reality experiences. So that's a quick high-level overview of what THINGWORX is and what it does. So what I'll do, I'll hand over to Alan now. We'll do a more detailed presentation around today's topic. Thanks, Alan.
Thanks, Paul. Hi, everyone. So I guess moving on to the next topic in the agenda, I want to talk about digital disruption. Okay, so it's a big topic. Gartner noted in one of their newsletters that digital disruption is really the single biggest change facing organizations today. Obviously, COVID's accelerated that even more, which I'll get into in today's presentation. But even before COVID, this was really affecting all organizations. Okay, on the I guess on the industrial side of things, probably the where we're in, there's really at a high level kind of 3 different areas that we see happening a lot. So that is around smart connected products. Okay, so the ability to see what's happening with your product out there in the field, to understand what it's doing, maybe to understand when it needs servicing, how it's performing, all of those sides of things. Okay, and then we've got what we're calling smart connected operations, which is really around the factory. So in Australia, that tends to be called Industry 4.0. It gets called a lot of different names around the world, but it's really that understanding the operations within your factory and reacting to that better. Okay. And I guess you've got, you've got the things, you've got the operations, products, process, and then we've got people. Okay, so really, how do we take all that digital information and really help convey that to our users? Okay, so at a high level, these are sort of the areas of disruption that we're seeing and where digitization is happening. And why is that important? Why should I be doing something around that? Well, really, the greatest risk is in doing nothing. So from a few well-noted analyst companies, S&P, they're 500. They're predicting that over 50% of today's S&P 500 companies will be replaced in that list over the next 10 years. Okay, due to changes, new companies coming out of the, evolving with new technologies. IDC predicts that of the global 2,000 manufacturers, 30% of those are forecast to offer product as a service rather than just selling the traditional method of just selling products. And Capgemini is saying, looking at over around 50% of all products will be smart connected products, and maybe some of you are already on that journey, and that's why you're here today. Okay, and that's the predictions on what's happening out there in industry. So if you're not doing that, well then what are your competitors doing? Are they looking at this as well? Okay,